Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I am gonna bring you a drag race of some sort. We're gonna have my new Gravely Pro Stance 48, the Gen 3. We are gonna put that up against the SCAG 48 V2. My crew is rolling up. We're gonna have a race. I'm gonna put the specs to both of these mowers real quick. I'll take some screenshots. So off the top of my head, I think that SCAG is engineered to be faster than Gravely, but the new Gen 3 Gravely Pro Stance that I have, I think was engineered for 9 miles per hour, and that's really fast. So, and this thing moves. So anyways, guys, we got the Gravely Pro Stance 48. Like I said, my guys are pulling up soon. We're gonna do a race, drag race in the empty parking lot. Before we do it, everybody just, comment below who's gonna win, SCAG or Gravely. And that was the prediction anyways. Thanks, guys.